I just took a cold shower and now I'm trying to dry off with what's left of the sun. This morning we are just outside of Khao Sok National Park. Today we're headed to Cheow Lan Lake where we're hopefully going to be spending the day, maybe even the night. There were plenty of tours that we could have joined here in town, but we wanted to take a more DIY approach. So we've rented a scooter. We have about a 60-kilometer drive to the pier and we're hopefully going to get everything booked there.
We made it to the pier. It took about an hour and 20 minutes, and now we're headed into the visitor center to get things figured out.
Khlong Ka.
Yes.
One room, one night.
Yes.
So we're paying her 400 baht just for the room.
Okay, and then we pay.
We'll find out who we pay for food, and we'll find out who we pay for the boat.
Okay.
For now, only room.
We are here at the visitor center and we just talked to a few rangers who really helped us out. There's actually several government-run lake houses to choose from and we're going to be staying tonight at Khlong Ka. We pay 200 baht per person for the room and then it's another 800 baht per person for the meals, which should include lunch, dinner, and then breakfast tomorrow. Now that we have our room booked, we're working on our boat options. Originally, the ranger said that it would be 2,500 baht to go from the pier to where we're staying tonight and then back tomorrow. We asked if we could pay a little bit extra to explore more of the lake, so hopefully that works out.
ที่ดูคนละ800นี่นะโอเค
It doesn't seem like it's going so well so far.
ผมว่าไปกลาง9 โมงออกมา9 โมงนี้โอเค it's okay no problem boat man yes 4,000 500 baht please you pay ไปโน่นเลยนะ
We still haven't paid anybody for our food.
I think we paid the hotel for our food. I am concerned about our boatman who we paid 3,500 baht to.
I don't know where he went.
Although this ranger is like really taking us under his wing. And we're off.
Jess has always loved a boat ride. This really is incredible.
I don't even know where it's going. They seem to be a bit confused about our reservation. Now we're good.
Food, yes. We pay 3 meals.
We just got checked into our room. The boat ride around the lake was absolutely incredible with the emerald green waters and the limestone cliffs. It was unbelievably beautiful. And this lake house that we're staying at tonight seems really cool. There's actually 4 or 5 different types of bungalows. Ours is one of the more basic ones, but it should do the trick.
It's the biggest bed we've ever had.
We have a fan that will work between what, 6 and 10 p.m.?
6 and 10 p.m. is when we have electricity.
And we have a bathroom, which we thought we were going to have a shared bathroom, so that's a nice surprise.
It's almost like an upgrade.
No bath towels, but...
Or toilet paper. Our floating room is very level.
Time for some kayaking.
She's got her paddles. The best fitting life jacket I've ever seen. These kayaks are actually free to use from our place, and it's been great just getting out into these coves and getting a different perspective of the lake. It's hard to believe that this lake's actually man-made and less than 40 years old. We're back, and now we're just gonna relax until dinner.
One, two.
just took a cold shower and now I'm trying to dry off with what's left of the sun.
Because we don't have towels.
Yeah.
Everybody's waiting to see if the electricity comes on at 6. We have a light. Time for dinner. Dinner and a show.
It's a little after 7 and we are just now getting up and getting moving. Now we're having some coffee, we're gonna have breakfast soon, and then we're leaving here around 9.
All told, we ended up spending about 6,500 baht with our DIY approach, so this was definitely not an inexpensive experience. We certainly added to the expense by choosing to stay on the lake, and we paid an extra 1,000 baht for more time on the boat yesterday. So in comparison to the group tours that were offered in town, we did end up spending a little bit more, but those were with boats of up to 20 people, so I'm glad we did it the way we did to have a boat all to ourselves. We certainly stretched the budget to make this happen, but this is such an incredible lake and a unique experience to get to stay in one of these bungalows.
Off we go! Coming to Khao Sok National Park was actually a last-minute decision we made when we were in Koh Samui. I am so glad that we did. This was the perfect way to end our time here in Thailand, and tomorrow we are actually headed to our 5th country.